Hey y'all, welcome back to Homegrown Hydroponics Cooking Series, where we explore what is possible with homegrown veggies and herbs that go beyond just a simple salad. Today we will be making a Kale and Quinoa Bowl. This recipe is quick and easy and great for meal prep. For this recipe you will need 3 eggs, 1 medium bunch of kale, half a cup spinach, 1.5 cup quinoa, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon rice wine, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. First, wash and cook your quinoa according to the directions on the package. Once your quinoa is cooked, remove it from the pan, set it aside for later use. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to a large pan and begin heating it up over medium heat. Once your olive oil has been heated up, add all your minced garlic and begin cooking. Constantly move your minced garlic in the pan and cook for less than 1 minute. Crack and then whisk all 3 of your eggs. Once all your eggs are smooth and combined, add them to the pan and begin cooking. Constantly move your eggs in the pan and cook them to a soft finish. Once your eggs are done cooking, add your cooked quinoa and mix everything together. Now add 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix all your sauces in with your quinoa and eggs. Now add all your kale and spinach to the pan. Cover your pan with foil and continue to mix on a regular basis. Finally end with seasoning your dish with salt and pepper. Plate and serve hot or divide into your meal prep containers. Thank you for watching and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel for future recipes. If you'd like to start your own hydroponic garden, visit our shop and start growing your own veggies and herbs that you can use in your own recipes.